Hi, I'm Jake, founder of Lively Lighting Co. and PermTrackUSA.com. What is PermTrackUSA.com? Well, we make permanent outdoor light tracks for your permanent outdoor lights that makes your permanent lights permanent. Well, are the tracks any good? Is this a big ass wrench? Is water wet? Does a bear go in the woods? Good job, buddy. We're not just shipping you a cheap import. We're helping DIY homeowners and installers get the quality permanent results they expect. That means we manufacture right here in the good old US of A. And we give them a warranty that's gonna last until you're pushing up daisies. If you think that a sticker is gonna hold your lights up for years to come through all weather seasons, buddy, go ask your life coach, because common sense, it ain't so common. I'm no Thomas Edison, and I didn't reinvent the light bulb, but with PermTrackUSA.com, your lights will stay on.